We expect robust revenue growth for all large cap companies under pharma sector except Ranbaxy. And in mid cap space, under our coverage, outperformance would be led by Ipca Labs, Glenmark, and Aurobindo Pharma. We expect domestic formulation growth to be muted for most of the pharma companies given the move to new pricing policy, this being the first quarter of implementation. So, we would require clarity from the management in regards to new domestic pharma policy and the domestic growth. Market data for the period also indicate again weakness in the business. In our coverage, Cipla and Ranbaxy are most exposed to new pricing policy. In overseas market, the gain due to currency would be around 3.5% owing to the weakness in the rupee. Lupin, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's are likely to post strong results in the US. Ranbaxy is likely to post around 16.4% year-on-year decline in top line to rupees 27 billion. The results are not comparable on a reported basis due to large one-off effect in Q2 calendar year 12, that is around 170 million of Lipitor sales. The key points to watch out would be timeline for the launch of generic Darvon and improvement in the core operating margins. Cipla is estimated to grow at 8.3% year-on-year to rupees 21.8 billion on a higher base of corresponding quarter. We expect company to register OPM of around 21%. The key points to watch out for the utilization of Indore cells and timeline of the launch of an inhaler in Europe and exact impact of a new drug pricing policy. We expect robust quarter for Dr. Reddy's with a top line growth of around 30.5% driven by increase in market share in new product launches in the US and the currency benefit. Company is expected to post OPM of around 21.1% year-on-year, down from 21.9% in Q1 FY13. The company is expected to post net profit growth of 30% to 4.4 billion. Lupin is expected to report healthy growth of around 19.5% year-on-year to 26.5 billion. The results are again not comparable due to higher base of last year. The company had launched Ziprasidone at the similar time last year. We expect around 10.6% year-on-year growth in reported PAT at 3.1 billion. Thank you.